So I thought it would be fun to make my own Ouija board, or Ouija board, because those cheap cardboard and plastic spirit boards that you get at the store, they just, let's face it, they explode into flames way too easily when summoning demons, and hey, quality boards could cost you an arm and a leg these days. And well, sometimes your mortal soul, am I right? But not only that, you can help me out as we try something for the first time ever on YouTube. Together, we'll attempt to summon a woodworking demon, one that can improve our woodworking skills. Hey, what could possibly go wrong? And finally, I'll spray on a few coats of lacquer. All right, are you ready to summon a woodworking spirit? Okay, this is where I'm gonna need your help. Gently place your fingertips on the planchette with me. Go ahead, touch your screen. Invecti sawdustis home depotum. I call upon the benevolent woodworking lord, speak to us. If there is any entity in this shop, I conjure you, reveal yourself. I willingly invite you into my little shop. Yeah, okay, I know it's really just a garage, but just don't call it that. Possess me with your woodworking skills. Make me the best woodworker ever. Oh, all right, you don't have to be benevolent. Ooh, hello, questionably friendly entity. Please reveal your name to us. Stay with me, everybody. Whatever you do, don't take your fingers off the screen. I probably should have mentioned that part before. Yeah, I'm sure we're fine. What is your name? Oh no, please tell me one of you didn't take your hands off the planchette. I'll bet it was you, wasn't it, Matt? Oh, dark spirit Ted, have you come to punish me? Oh, crap.
I sentence you to a lifetime of woodworking hell.
Woodworking hell?
From this day forward, you shall use nothing but hand tools.
Wait, that's it? I kind of thought maybe you'd sentence me to, I don't know, building 16,000 crappy plans or something.
No, wait, I choose that one instead.
No, there are no take-backs. Besides, the joke's on you. They're not even real plans.
That's why it's called woodworking hell.
Either way, I'm pretty sure I can exercise you.
There is nothing you can do to stop Ted.
Wait.
What's that you got there?
Just wait. Okay, let's try that again. This time, we'll try to summon up the restless spirit of YouTube content creators. Oh, dark lord of YouTube, I trade my soul to make the most popular maker videos ever! Whoa, dude, you are super easy to summon. It's almost like that Ted guy never existed at all. With your insight, every video I make will go viral. Hit me up with whatever's hot and trending right now.
Oh, okay. You're gonna love this. You ready? I'm gonna start you out with a bunch of palette projects.
Wait, that's it? That's your plan? Nobody makes palette projects anymore.
Hey, cut me some slack. I've been in hell for 1,000 years. Okay, let me think here. Concrete. We'll make stuff with concrete.
Maybe if this were 2014. Oh, dude, you got something right there.
Did I get it? Yeah? Oh, the other side. Arduinos. LEDs, lots and lots of LEDs. Okay, wait for it. Resin river tables. I know, live edge furniture.
Hey, now you're talking.
With hidden phone chargers.
You had to go and ruin it. Okay then, thank you for your time, evil woodworking spirit, but I guess I don't need you after all. In fact, I've got all the power I need right here.
Wait, what are you doing? What is that evil thing?
You know, I learned something today. Maybe true inspiration isn't something supernatural. We just need to stop chasing trends and look within to find creativity. And there's nothing magical about woodworking. It just takes time, practice, and a little bit of effort. The only real evil spirits are the inner demons we face every day.